On International Democracy Day on 15th of September 2021, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma had launched the MyMeG Program, an initiative of the Government of Meghalaya to facilitate citizen engagement and participation in the governance process. The program has been designed with a vision to accelerate the pace of development by engaging and empowering citizens and promoting participatory governance. MyMeG Program aims to connect with citizens through face-to-face and digital platforms that will facilitate citizen-centric information on benefits of key schemes and programs, track progress of schemes, programs and initiatives at district, block and village levels, participate and share feedback and opinions through polls and surveys, citizen engagement through town hall meetings, outreach activities, digital quiz and contests, knowledge management team to coordinate with the department and mobilize the program. The government believes that MyMeG platform will accelerate the pace of development in Meghalaya and help in achieving in vision to emerge as the top 10 state by 2030. During the launch, Conrad K Sangma said that in the last 3.5 years, the government has taken several steps to ensure holistic development of the state. The vision is to transform Meghalaya into one of the top 10 states in the country by 2030. He added that to achieve this, the government has been working tirelessly to improve the well-being of farmers, women, youth and every section of the society. To take this further, citizens are encouraged to participate and engage in the governance process. The aim of the MyMeG program is to promote participatory democracy in Meghalaya, where people can contribute in the governance process and share their feedback on various government programs and initiatives. This, he said, will bring transformation in governance by citizen participation, engagement and empowerment.
So engagement was a very, very critical part, and we felt that we should be able to directly get feedback from the people of what they think about the programs that we're doing. At the same time, they should be able to see what the government is doing in their own villages and the districts and the state as a whole, and be able to engage with us through social media and use of technology and give us feedback which would help us not just improve the programs we're doing, but also get a sense and pulse of what the people are actually feeling and what they feel is the need of the hour, especially maybe in their area or in the state as a whole. So engagement was one of the important aspects on why we came towards this particular model and this particular program or scheme called MyMeG.